Good morning, everybody. It's Brooke. I am here to accept Nik the Booksmith's Deserted Island Challenge. And this will be my first ever challenge, so hopefully it'll be fun. Okay, here's my 4 allotted or given items. Needle and thread. And this is some really thin crochet thread. Scissors. Got a whole stack of paper, just coffee dyed, regular coffee paper. Glue, 3 in 1, there's the 4. All right, and here's the 4 choices. Ink, applicator, book cover. I've already taken the innards out, and it's pictured knowledge, some kind of encyclopedia. And there's my book cover, this hunk of fabric, about that big, and a piece of Tim Holtz scrapbook paper. All right, I will come back with the finished walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, it's Brooke. I am back with the finished Deserted Island Challenge. Excuse me. This is how it looks from the top. I added some, this is just my signature sticking out, and I added a piece of fabric on both of those end pieces. And I used my paper as pockets and the fabric. And this is part of the spine piece that I did so I could sew my signatures in. And it's the other side of this scrapbook paper. This is all I have left right here. And it's the other side of that. And then I made a pocket here and here, and then just a piece of journaling paper. And another piece of journaling paper. Then a pocket here decorated with a tag. And I folded a piece of paper over and glued it so it's thicker. Added a piece of fabric and some of my thread that I picked. And I don't remember, I think it has 40, 10, I don't know how many pieces of paper is in here. Piece of journaling paper, and this is a pocket that I fold a piece of the signature over and glued it to the paper behind it. I'll have to count how many pages are in here. Another pocket, and then I glued some string on. Another tag with a little ephemera that I used from that scrapbook paper. Got a piece of journaling paper stuck in this pocket that I just folded over. Added some tabs. Tuck spot made out of a piece of paper. You can see how it's been folded. Signature sewn in. Pocket. Tab. Another folded pocket. Another tag. This was really fun. Took me all day, but it was fun. Here's another one. So thank you, Nik, for the challenge. I liked it. Pocket. Here's the second signature. Another fabric pocket. Tag. Blank on the back. And I think I might keep this one for myself to journal in. I don't know. Because I don't have my own. I just make them, sell them. Another piece, and this is another one of those pockets that I folded over, glued to the back one. After I get through this, I'll count the pages. Pocket, tag. Another pocket, piece of ephemera. Tuck spot, made out of a piece of paper. Tabs, another one of those pockets. Added a little piece of string right there. And this is a piece of fabric folded over with string thread, whatever you want to call it, tied around it. Pocket, another tag. And the third signature. And that's how I decorated that one. And the only thing about doing this challenge is my signatures are not in there even because I did not have a ruler. So I punched like, let me find the center. Here's the center. Like I just punched through and then I lined my, like say this is my spine piece, I lined the holes up and just made a little needle mark and then punched through that. So it's crooked. You can tell. See, it goes wonk. But it's okay. I'm on a deserted island. I was hoping there was going to be some like safety pins and paper clips and stuff in my fanny pack, but there wasn't. Another piece of paper into one of those pockets I made. Another tag. Oh, this keeps coming out. That's why I need a paper clip. But once this turns into mine, I'm going to add more things to it. But this is for the challenge. Another tab. Another one of those pockets, and this string's kind of crooked, but it's still cute. Another tag. Another tag. I think I skipped a page. Maybe I didn't. Tuck spot. Pocket. Piece of journaling. And I just took a piece of tea stain paper and folded it in half, tore it, folded it in half again, tore it. And there's the back, and here's the back pocket. Piece of paper back here in this pocket, and then another piece right here in this pocket. And there we go. Well, let me count these pages. I'm sure you're gonna watch me do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 in each signature, so 14 times 3, 12. I don't know how to, let me do it on my calculator. 14 times 3, 42 times 4, 168. I think that's right. Anyway, there we go. There is the Deserted Island Challenge for Nik the Booksmith. Thanks for watching, guys.